Congratulations, class of 2021. I want to welcome you to our 2021 Promise Scholars Virtual Summer Academy. My name is Sarah Latimer, and I'm an Enrollment Success Specialist here at Questa College. And I want to give you guys some updates and information on our Questa Summer Academy. In order to be qualified for Summer Academy, you'll be completing all the Promise steps, which you most likely have already done. You will be a first-time college student. You'll have to apply for the Questa Summer and Fall 2021 semesters, complete the Promise Scholarship application, complete the Questa online orientation in your MyQuesta portal, complete a FAFSA or a DREAM Act application, completing a FERPA code form, attending a Summer Academy kickoff orientation, as well as filling out the Summer Academy contract. The class schedule is as followed. You will be taking, if you haven't done so already, CSS 225, College Student Success, which is a 6-week course from June 14th to July 23rd, and will have mandatory Zoom sessions Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 9 to 11:50. You will also be taking CSS 254, Major and Career Exploration, which is only a 3-week session from July 5th to July 23rd, with one meeting on July 7th from 12 to 12:50. The rest of the assignments will be due upon the due dates. So you'll be taking either one or both of these courses, along with Distance 101, Introduction to Online, which is only a 3-week session as well, from June 14th to July 2nd, and will have no mandatory meetings. So you'll be turning in assignments based on your due dates, as well as attending Counseling Corner, which will have one mandatory weekly session with an academic counselor to go over resources in the community, resources on campus, as well as going over your comprehensive student education plan. Some of the benefits are direct aid, which means we will be covering your summer 2021 semester for fees, books, and supplies, as long as you're registered for Summer Academy by June 18th. We will also be covering your fall 2021 classes, fees, and books and supplies, as with the completion of Summer Academy. You will also have access to counseling and support services, as well as technology equipment such as Chromebooks and hotspots that we have available. You will also have available virtual enrichment activities throughout the summer, as well as a Cougar Questa kit, which includes a student ID card and student swag. Some of the expectations are to attend your synchronous Zoom meetings weekly and complete your inside and outside assignments for your classwork. You will also need to attend your mandatory counseling sessions for Counseling Corner and create an appointment for your CSEP, which the steps are listed on the PowerPoint below. Once again, my name is Sarah Latimer. If you have any questions about Summer Academy, please let me know. I am willing and able to answer any of the questions you have. My email and phone number are listed up on the PowerPoint. And if you are interested in joining the Summer Academy and getting a kickstart on Questa College for your career, go ahead and fill out the interest form below, and I will be contacting you shortly with more information. Thank you so much, and congratulations.